Here, this is the question number 2, exercise 9.2, 7th part. Here you have to evaluate. We have to evaluate this. It's clear. So how will you evaluate this? So first of all, you change every term in a single logarithm. Single logarithm means there is no number before the logarithm. लॉगरिथम के पहले ये जो नंबर हैं इनको हमको हटा देना है ऐसे और कैसे हटाना है यू कैन ब्रिंग देम इन द पावर ऑफ द बेस you can make these numbers as the power of the base. So see here, when you will write it in the second step, it will be log 2 plus log 16 upon 15 whole to the power 16 plus log 25 upon 24 whole to the power 12 plus log 81 upon 80 whole to the power 7. Now if you see here, so you will find that अगर हम इसको देखें तो हम you can see that you have to multiply 16 upon 15 how many times? 16 times. 25 upon 24 how many times? 12 times. 81 upon 80 how many times? 7 times. So this is very difficult. It's clear. We will not do by this way. Then what will you do? फिर क्या करोगे? We will write these bases in the form of prime factors. इन bases को क्या करते हैं? Prime factors. Prime numbers are, what are the prime factors? Factors in terms of the prime numbers. Prime factor means factors in terms of the prime numbers, and prime numbers you know which are having no factor other than one and itself. Smallest prime number is 2, then 3, then 5, then 7, then 11, 13, 17, 19, 23. These are the prime numbers. So now you write down here it is log 2 plus this you can write log 2 की power 4 upon 3 की power 1 into 5 की power 1 whole की power 16 plus log 5 square and 24 8 3 jar 8 you can write 2 की power 3 into 3 की power 1 whole की power 12 plus log 81 3 की power 4. Now 80 is what? 16 5 ja 80 and 16 can be written as 2 की power 4. 5 you can write 5 की power 1 whole की power 7. Now you simplify once again, so it is log 2 plus when you will open the bracket simplify तो यहाँ पावर के ऊपर पावर है, पावर्स विल मल्टीप्लाई. इट्स क्लियर. मतलब ये बाहर वाली पावर अंदर वाली सभी पावर से मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगी. सो इट विल बी log 2 की पावर 16 अपॉन 3 की नॉट 16 64 16 4 जा 64 16 1 जा 16 into 5 की पावर 16 plus log here 5 की पावर 24 upon 12 you will multiply 2 की पावर 36 into 3 की पावर 12 plus log 3 की पावर 28 upon 2 की पावर 28 into 5 की पावर 7. It's clear. Now you can see here, this is like log m plus log n plus log p plus log q. And when there is the sum of the logarithms, there is no number. Here, these are the single logarithms. It's clear, but this is not a single logarithm. Why? Because there is 16 before this. So how can you write it together? So you can apply the product rule. Log m plus log n plus log p plus log q equals to log m into n into p into q. Means log लिख के कॉमन ब्रैकेट के अंदर क्या हो जाएगा, 2 की पावर 64 अपॉन into 5 की पावर 60 into 5 की पावर 24 3 की पावर 12 into 3 की पावर 28 upon 2 की पावर 28 into 5 की पावर 6. Have you understood? This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now after this we will simplify the bracket. So how will you simplify? You can see here. सब लोग यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं. You have to simplify the bracket. So this is log in numerator 2 into 2 की power 16. 2 means 2 की power 1. What will you get after simplification? Who can tell? Laws of indices apply करना. 2 की power 1 into 2 की power 64. What will you get? Abhay
2
Shukla.
to the power 65.
2 की power 65. Bases are same, therefore powers will be added. 2 की power 65 into 5 की power 24 into 3 की power 28 divided by. Now you can see here. Here 2 की power कितना है? 36, and here it is 2 की power 28, and all the terms are in the product, therefore they will be added. Powers will be added. 36 plus 28 into 3 की power 16, 3 की power 12 into 5 की power 16, 5 की power 7. Now simplify. When you will simplify, you will get this. 2 की power 65 into 5 की power 24 into 3 की power 28 upon 36 plus 28, so it is equal to 64. 2 की power 64. 5 की power 16 plus 7, 23. 3 की power 28. When it will be further simplified, when you will further simplify, so it is log, this and this will be cancelled. 3 की power 28, this is cancelled. And here it will be what? 2 की power 65 minus 64 into 5 की power 24 minus 20. Two की power 1 into 5 की power 1. That is log 10. And what is log 10? log 10 equals to 1. So those questions in which there are very big numbers here, you will do by this way. For example, you can see here, there is no other question, but here if there are very big numbers, then you will do like this. Now see here, question number 3. Question number 3, second part. It's clear? You can see here. Here also you have to express in the single logarithm. You have to express it in the single logarithm. 2 log 5 to the base 10 minus log 2 to the base 10 plus 3 log 4 to the base 10 plus 1. Now see here, you will do two things here. Number 1, you will change every term in single logarithm like this. इस तरीके से हर एक टर्म को चेंज करेंगे, so that there is no number before logarithm. And number 2, this is 1 here. 1 you write in logarithmic form. 1 को logarithmic form में लिखेंगे. So you can see here, this can be written as log 5 squared to the base 10 minus log 2 to the base 10 plus log 4 to the power 3 to the base 10 plus log 10 to the base 10. So this will be equal to 25 to the base 10 minus log 2 to the base 10 log 64 to the base 10, and this is log 10 to the base 10. Now what will you do? The logarithms which are in the plus, their numbers will be multiplied. उनके numbers क्या हो जाएंगे? Multiply हो जाएंगे. While those which are in minus, their numbers will go into division. So you can see here log 25 into 64 into 10 divided by 2 to the base 10. This way. When it is simplified, it is 32. So log, this can be 25, 32, 25, 2 ja, 55, 25, 3 ja, 75 and 5, 80. Means it is log 8000 to the base 10. It has changed in single logarithm. This way you will change in single logarithm. So see here, all of you remember, how will you change 1 in the single logarithm, in the logarithmic form? Since here it is base 10, you can write 1 as log 10 to the base 10. Suppose here base is other than 10. Suppose base is here 7. हमने ये मान लिया कि ये जो 10 है base, this is 7. Then how will you write 1? You can write log 7 to the base 7. तुमको same base पर लिखना. Suppose if it is 100, 10. अगर ये 10 होता, or not 10, you take 2. 10 is a very big number. You can take 2. Suppose if it is 2, Then how will you write? You can write 2 as 2 into 1 and then 2 into log 10 to the base 10. In the next step, this 2 will go into the power. So it will become log 100. But you see what is the base. Base क्या है ये ध्यान दें. So I am going to do the last part of this question. What is the last part? One upon 2 log 9 plus 2 log 3 minus log 6 plus log 2 minus. It is clear. So two things you have to do. First off, you will remove these numbers which are before the logarithm. Here there is 1 by 2, here there is 2. But these two are in the single logarithm. And second, 2 you will write in the logarithmic form. Here base is not given, so base is understood that it is 10. Base is not given means it is understood that it is 10. So you can write log 3 square. This is a prime number, it cannot be written in power form, so you take 2 here. Log 3 square minus log 6 plus log 2 minus 2 log 10, because log 10 is 1. Log 10 is 1. So this will be 1 by 2. This 2 you will write before 2 log 3 by using power rule. Log 3 to the power 2, 2 log 3. 2 will come before logarithm. Plus log 9 minus log 6 plus log 2. And this 2 you take, minus sign will remain here only, and this you write down 10 square. So see here, this and this cancel. 3 plus log 9 minus log 6 plus log 2 minus log 100. Now you know the rule. If there is any expression which is the sum of the logarithms, then what will happen? If there is the sum of the logarithms, then what will happen? Those which are with the plus sign, their bases will multiply. And those which are with minus sign, from their bases, it will be divided. So it will be equal to log 3 into 9 into 2. क्योंकि ये प्लस साइन में है, माइनस में ये है, so it will go into division. It's clear? So it will be equal to what? 3 2 ja. So it is log 9 upon 100. Have you understood? Now all of you see here. Have you understood this or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this way you will do. It's clear? Now see here. There is this also. Yes. Now all of you see. Is there any mistake here? Because This you have to change in single logarithm. All of you see here. Here in the question heading it is given, you have to change it in the single logarithm. It's clear? So it will log 9/100. Now see here, after this, you have to prove question number 4. So now you will do all these questions in the same way. Question number 4, second part. Prove the following. Prove the following means both the sides you have to prove equal to the base 10 plus log 4 to the base 10 equals to log 25 to the base 5. हमको क्या करना है, दोनों साइड्स को इक्वल प्रूव करना है. So first you simplify. What can you write this? Who can tell? इसको क्या लिखेंगे?
Log 25 into 4.
Log 25 into 4. Since bases are same and it is the sum of logarithm, therefore these two numbers will multiply. पर base same होना चाहिए. To the base 10. This you can write log 5 squared to the base 5. So see here, it is log 100 to the base 10. And this you apply power rule, 2 log 5 to the base 5. Now log 100 can be written as log 10 squared to the base 10 equals to 2 log 5 to the base 5. You take 2 before the logarithm. Before the logarithm. This way you have to. Now, as you know that there is a rule, logarithm of any number to the same number as base equal to 1. Log a to the base a equals to 1. So what will be its value? 1. What will be the value of this? It will also be 1. So 2 into 1 equals to 2 into 1. Hence proved. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Now see here. After this, you see the question number 6. It is A equals to, if A equals to log x to the base 10. Find in terms of A. In terms of A, you have to find the value of x and then you have to find second part log 5th root of x square to the base 10. 5th root of x square to the base 10. This is the 5th root. So see here, how can you find the value of x? Who will tell? कौन बता सकता है? 10 की power a equals to x. You write in exponential form. In exponential form. It will be 10 की power a equals to x. Means x equals to 10 की power a. This is the answer of the first part. Now second part. You have to find log 5th root of x square to the base 10. This can be written as log x की पावर 2/5 to the base 10. Because when you will remove, what will happen? जो order of third है, that will go in the denominator of the power. So here power is 2. It means it is 2/1. Its denominator is 1, so it will multiply with denominator. It will multiply with denominator. Now you apply the power. So it will be 2/5 log x to the base 10. But as already given, log x to the base 10 is a. Therefore, it will be 2a/5. Have you understood? Bole.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now question number 8.
Yes, sir.
7 and 8 are of same type. And not 7 and 8. Even 7, 8, 9, all the three are of same type. So I am going to explain ninth one. It's clear? In place of 7, 8, I am going to take 9. 7, 8, 9, all are of same type. Question number 9. अगर बुक ना ओपन कर रखी हो, बुक को फिर से खोल ले, अदरवाइज समझ में नहीं आएगा. Log 12 to the base 10. Y equals to log 2 to the base 4 and into log 9 to the base 10, and Z equals to 0.4 to the base 10. This. It's clear? Now see here, first of all, you write log x, y, z in single logarithm. So if you see here, you will find x is expressed in single logarithm. Y, z is expressed in single logarithm. But here it is not a single log. Y is not in the single logarithm. So you change y in single logarithm. केवल हमको y को change करना है. It is very simple. Log 2 to the base 4 into log 9 to the base 10. It's clear? When you will change this, what will you write? There is a rule you have studied. Are you told? Log a to the base b equals to log a upon log b. Log a to the base b, you can write log a upon log b. Are you understood? So see here, this you can write log 2 to the base 10, and और हमने बताया बेस कुछ भी लगा upon log 4 to the base 10 into log 9 to the base 10 upon log 10 to the base 10. Are you taking base 10? And why? Because here in x, in z, base is 10. x में भी base 10 है, z में भी base 10 है, तो इसको भी हम base 10 पर ही लिखेंगे, क्योंकि लॉगरिथमिक लॉज तभी अप्लाई हो सकते हैं जब बेसिस सेम हो. Now you can see here, this is log 2 to the base 10 upon denominator you can write as log 2 square to the base 10 into this is log 3 square to the base 10. And what is log 10 to the base 10? It is 1. Now simplify. Log 2 to the base 10 into, when you will apply power rule, it will be 2 log 3 to the base 10 whole divided by 2 log 2 to the base 10. So this and this will be cancelled. 2 and 2 will be cancelled. And what will be left? Log 3 to the base 10.
Hello,
What
sir.
will Yes. Yes. Any problem? Now you see once again, I am explaining once again. We will change y in single logarithm. So here there is a formula log a to the base b is log a upon log b. यहाँ बेस नहीं लिखा है, तुम कुछ भी बेस लिख सकते हो, पर जो बेस ऊपर लेंगे वही बेस नीचे लेंगे. अगर हम बेस ऊपर 7 ले रहे हैं तो नीचे भी 7 ले. ऊपर अगर हम बेस 3 ले रहे हैं तो नीचे भी बेस 3 ले. हम यहाँ पर 10 इसलिए ले रहे हैं because in x and z base is 10. Now you see once again log 2 to the base 4 into log 9 to the base 10. This you can write log 2 upon log 4. Base is not given, you write down base as 10 into log 9 upon log 10. Base I have taken as 10. Now log 4 I have written in the next step as log 2 square. And log 9 I have written as log 3 square. In the next step, what will happen? It is log 2 denominator 2 log 2. 2 will come before. And this is 2 log 3. So you can see log 2 cancel. 2 say 2 cancel. What is left? This is left. Have you got? बोले.
Yes, sir.
मतलब ये क्या आ गया यहाँ पर log 3 to the base 10. Now it has become same as 7 and 8. First you have to find x minus y minus z. You find out this value. X minus y minus z. X की वैल्यू क्या दी है? log 12 to the base 10. Y you have converted in log 3 to the base 10 and z log 0.4 to the base 10. It is clear? Now what will you do? हमने बताया है जब ऐसा एक्सप्रेशन हो then what will happen? माइनस वाले टर्म्स डिनोमिनेटर में चली जाती है, माइनस वाले टर्म्स के बेसिक डिनोमिनेटर में 3 into 0.4 to the base 10. Whether it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Now in next step 12 into 10. 0.4 है तो ऊपर क्या कर लिया 10, नीचे क्या कर लिया 4 to the base 10. So log 3 4 ja 12. So it is log 10 to the base 10. And what is log 10 to the base 10?
1.
Take 1. Therefore, 7 to the power x minus y minus z equals to 7 की power y equals to 7. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So now all of you try to do up to the question number 13. Up to question number 13 you try to do. It is clear? And if you don't get any question, then you ask. but up to question number 13, when you will try, you can do. It's clear? So today I am ending here.